CoinCodex forecasts a 170% surge in GameStop's value over the next 5 days, which by Friday or Monday of next week's trading week would give a price target above $70 for GameStop. Now we're seeing a lot of hype being pushed for this move on GameStop, making holders as it is already skeptical. We're also seeing big pumps over on Buck, ticker symbol BUCK, recording $178 million in trading volume over the past 24 hours, which is GameStop's mascot Buck the Bunny, which we have been covering. Now the newest update is that GameStop appointed Nat Turner to their board, and this is the legitimate 8K filing right here on November 18th, 2024. The board of directors of GameStop Corp increased the size of the board from 5 to 6 members and appointed Nathaniel Turner as director of the company with a term expiring at the company's annual 2025 meeting of stockholders. Now Nat Turner is not the guy that had to do with slavery. It's a different Nat Turner. Nat is CEO of Collectors, a holding company focused on the collectibles industry. We recently saw that GameStop entered the collectibles industry. However, Nathaniel was also founder and CEO of Flatiron Health, which is a tech company. He was also co-founder and CEO of Invite Media, then was acquired by Google in 2010. He is also an active angel investor, investing in over 250 startups, including BarkBox, Cedar, Clover Health, and more. Overall, seems like they added a good team member to the board. Now, what is GameStop doing today? And guys, if you haven't liked the video, make sure to like the video. Since I research, edit, upload, record these for you guys, not in that order, for free. That is all I ask. Subscribe to the channel. Join the family on the journey to financial freedom. We are just brushing 30K subscribers, and I think we can hit it this video. Make sure to have post notifications on. We need to talk about crypto after GameStop and AMC. GameStop is trading at $26.81, basically up 0.8% on the day, almost 1% on the day. So kind of flat. Where are we at? Are we all just waiting for this run up, or can we actually see a point in the chart that we're at? Well, if we take a look at the previous run, the quote unquote squeeze, aka sneeze from back in 2021, based on the low, 207 days in is where we're trading at, which you saw this melt up right here from about $34 and then into that 207th day up to resistance at about $63, $65 or so. GameStop is playing out a very similar pattern to a smaller degree, from $20 getting this melt up to resistance around $28, $29. If we bring the drawings in right here, the end of this move would be about a 52% gain. Hypothetically, right, based on this move, this was about a 52% gain from low to high. Now keep in mind, this did run from 65 all the way to 85, but for a very brief moment. GameStop could have the same sort of melt up to a lighter degree, bringing us to a price target of $31.50 before slowly scaling down, scaling lower. Now, again, this is just based off of what we previously seen. Now, what's different is that Roaring Kitty is here and the market environment is dangerous per se. And there are tons of eyes on crypto, the stock market, all that other stuff. And everyone is anticipating a crash based on Roaring Kitty's timeline. Ultimately, this could go parabolic and have another rip, just like we saw back in January of 2021. But ultimately, we have to wait and see to find out. This, based off of the cycles, is the only thing that we have to hold on to. And if we disregard that and look at the momentum, GameStop is still looking very beautiful. AMC trading at $441, down almost 2% on the day. We broke below the bottom of this channel, came up and are retesting it and now getting rejected again. This is not a good thing to see. We want to see AMC close above $4.35. We did break below this channel one time. If the market crashes this week, this could be a top for AMC. This could be a top for GameStop, and we could get that flush right to 380. Obviously, be aware of that warning. Do I think that's going to be the case? No, obviously, I'm more optimistic and biased on both of these. Now, according to an article by MarketBeat, AMC short interest decreased by almost 8%, by 7.9%. Where? Right? The price hasn't moved. This is some BS. Do not pay attention to these articles. I have said it time and time again in my exit strategy videos that I have not created in a while, but I've made several of them. There will be a time when we're getting close where you are going to see short interest drop to maybe nothing, right? This is to scare you. It's a psychological game, and be weary of that. Now, Bitcoin is running up to 92,000 right now, up 2.5% on the day, getting a breakout after consolidating at 90K, which is a beautiful move. Keep in mind, crypto as a whole, right, has ran up about 40 to 50% for most of them. You see Solana from here, 55% to the upside. Chainlink up 54% to the upside. BAT up 50% to the upside, all testing resistance. And then you have Dogecoin, which ran 203%, which is a complete outlier compared to these other charts, as well as Shiba up 84%. Ultimately, here's what we're looking at. Bitcoin's getting a breakout. Most cryptos are taking a little bit of a cool off. And if Bitcoin actually breaks out above 96,000, these cryptos are going to follow. And now is the last time to position yourself. As many of you know, one of my largest holdings right now is Bonk. It is currently down 5. And I see this as a dip buying opportunity, but you always want to wait for confirmation to see if it is going to hold. Okay, so we are watching that closely. Solana recently got a breakout after consolidating a little bit earlier than Bitcoin, coming up to about 250. Next level, if Solana breaks out higher, which is very possible that this is not the top for many cryptos. $322.50 is my price target on Solana. As far as Chainlink goes, it is trying to break out, but we may see a pullback here. Ultimately, I'm watching $17 and then $19, $21.70, so on and so forth. BAT token trying to break out right now. Watch for a move up to 25 cents. Dogecoin consolidating under resistance, which is a dangerous thing. We really need to see momentum pick up and then boom higher. Ultimately, there are some things happening with Elon Musk and Donald Trump where Elon Musk may be overstepping, but again, take that with a grain of salt, right? They are still best buds as of right now, but ultimately if something happens there that can affect Doge, so I figured I'd throw it in the video. We want to see Dogecoin break above 37159 and then 40 cents, 41 cents, 42 cents, and if we have an open and close above 42 cents, this thing's coming up to 55, 63, so on and so forth. But keep in mind the market cap is very expensive over on Dogecoin, already above 50 billion. Shiba, however, not in the same exact boat, but a similar boat. I see us getting that move back up to 4 zeros, 2815, and then 4 zeros, 3236, ultimately as my next price target. Now, if Shiba actually does hit that second price target, which I think it will, how much of a percentage gain will you see? That would be a nice 30% move from where it's trading at right now. So this is a potential buying opportunity. If we hit my second price target, 53% move, my third price target, an 85% move. Okay, ultimately that's what we're watching. We do have some price targets after that, but we will keep those in mind for now. Now, Binance is listing a big meme coin this week, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's likely to be these two, PEPU, which is one of Pepe's tokens, or STARS, S-T-A-R-S. I'm going to put that warning here on this video. It could also very well be a different crypto. It could be Bonk, so keep that in mind as well. But whatever one it is likely to have a rally. Now, the SPY got a little bit of a relief bounce, holding support at 586, which is good because if we break below this support, the SPY could enter a brief free fall down to 582, 579, and then ultimately 574. We do not want to see that free fall happen. This would also fill a gap that doesn't have to get filled yet, but 576.80 or so could fill that gap. Now, Nvidia is ultimately going to affect the market. If Nvidia has some good earnings, we do have another leg up on the SPY, probably 604.50, depending on how much steam it actually brings in. And this is going to bring more tops in for crypto, more tops in for everything else. Ultimately is going to bring the sentiment back in for a bullish, hyped up market, and now could be the time to position yourselves. Ultimately, if Nvidia is bad, this could spark the beginning of a crash. However, since Trump is not inaugurated just yet, he is not in office just yet, I think they are going to try and hold off on this whole crash scenario. Nvidia trading at 139.90, actually looking bearish. However, its body candle is holding support at 139.50. If we close above 139.50, slightly bullish. If we close ultimately above 141, more bullish. And then ultimately, if we were to close above 143, that would give confirmation of potential calls going into earnings. But as of right now, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. There is no telling where this thing is going to go. Drop your predictions in the comments down below. Last but not least, Tesla's up another 7%, while Palantir is down 6%. Tesla is trading back up to 341.90. I called out down here. I see a bounce on Tesla. Now I'm calling out that Tesla could very well dump from here. It did have a lot of momentum getting this large gap higher, but I see this as extremely risky with Tesla trying to climb back up to 362.44, and if we hit that level, ultimately I see a rejection happening on Tesla. Again, I'm just a guy on YouTube. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I could very well be wrong. If you guys don't have your 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2 grand per stock, do it before November's over. Press the link in the description, sign up for Moomoo. It's a free broker, and open an account through them so me and you can get hooked up. You're getting up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2 grand per stock once you sign up and deposit in there. A $30 cash reward and earning 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash with zero risk. So if you want to sit on cash for the sidelines when this market does crash so that you can buy up, let it accumulate a market percentage even while it's in a crash with zero risk. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. And again, that is the third link in the description right here for Moomoo. If you've signed up, make sure to deposit in there to start earning your benefits. My custom indicator is here that you can get for 2 weeks for free. And if you're not in the Discord yet, get in the Discord. If you're debating on the Discord, I will have a sale going on for Black Friday. And that is the only time there's going to be a sale until the next one, right? But if you're not in the Discord yet, get in the Discord. You can see my trades as soon as I take them. Come talk stocks and crypto with all of us, the most amazing people. And whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, this is the place to go. Go subscribe to my second channel. We are nearing 100 subs where I will drop the first video. If you care anything about seeing the background of my life or anything like that, get over there. I love you all. God bless. Let's have a fun week this week and make some money. Lottery Socks out.